If you've ever wondered how to see logs in Jira, the real behind-the-scenes records of what's happening on your site, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to track important changes, monitor user activity, and even delve into raw system logs in Jira's interface. Whether you're a Jira admin or working with specific issues, you'll be able to confidently view and understand logs like a pro. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the audit log, which tracks all the major admin actions, configuration tweaks, and changes that can impact your Jira instance at its core. If you're a Jira administrator, this log is essentially your security camera feed. It shows who did what and when. To access it, head to the top of your Jira page and locate the settings icon. It looks a bit like a gear. Give that a click to open up the menu. Next, select System from the dropdown. You'll notice a menu on the left. Take a moment here if you need. Jira menus can have a lot of options. Look for the section called System Support. Under this, you'll find Audit Log. Clicking here brings up a detailed log of admin actions. What's really handy is that Jira lets you filter the audit log. Maybe you want to find out who changed user permissions last week, or look for a specific configuration change. You can filter by event type, username, or even by a particular date range. If you work as part of a larger admin team, these filters are a lifesaver. And if you need to share the record with someone else, say for compliance or troubleshooting, you can export the audit log as a CSV file. Super helpful if you want it in a spreadsheet for further analysis or archiving. Now, what if you want to track changes made to a specific Jira issue? Let's say you want to know if someone updated a field or when a status was transitioned. For this, Jira's built-in activity log is perfect, and you don't need to be an admin to use it. Just open up the issue you're interested in, the one with the details you need. Scroll down below the description and comments until you spot the main activity section. Here, find the Activity tab. If you're new to Jira, don't worry. It's usually quite prominent below the issue summary. Click into the Activity tab and then look for the History option within it. This expands to show a clear timeline, almost like a diary of every field change, comment, or work log entry related to this specific ticket. It's especially useful for understanding how an issue has evolved over time, or if you need to find out who made a change and why. If you're working on a self-hosted Jira server or data center setup, this part's a bit more technical, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. You may need access to deeper system-level logs, for example, if you're troubleshooting errors or want to see raw application logs. From the Settings gear icon again, choose System and look for Troubleshooting and Support Tools. Within these tools, there's an option called View Server Log File. Sometimes this requires a plugin called Script Runner, or for newer Jira versions, it might be built in. Clicking this option will display the actual server logs right in the UI, revealing detailed technical messages and errors. Alternatively, if you have direct access to the Jira server itself, you can look up the logs in the log Atlassian Jira.log file. Think of this as the black box recorder for Jira. And that's it. You now know exactly how to see logs in Jira, whether you're tracking big admin moves, investigating specific issue changes, or diving deep into the system itself. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tricky Jira challenges you'd like help with. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy logging.